And I remember when you started calling me your missus. All the play fighting, all the flirtatious disses. I tell you sad stories about my childhood. I don't know why I trusted you, but I knew that I could. We'd spend the whole weekend lying in our own dirt. I was just so happy in your boxers and your t-shirt. Dreams, dreams of when we had just started things. Dreams of you and me. And it seems that I can't shake those memories. I wonder if you have the same dreams too. The littlest things that take me there. I know it sounds lame, but it's so true. I know it's not right, but it seems unfair. The things are reminding me of you. Sometimes I wish you could just pretend, even if only for one weekend. So come on, tell me, is this the end? Drinking tea in bed, watching DVDs. When I discovered all your dirty, grotty magazines. You take me out shopping, and all we buy is trainers, as if we ever needed anything to entertain us. The first time that you introduced me to your friends, and you could tell that I was nervous, so you held my hand. When I was feeling down, you make that face you do. There's no one in the world who could replace you. Dreams, dreams of when we had just started things.